Hey there friends on YouTube, my name is Roger with Electronics and Gadgets. If this is your first time here, thanks for stopping by. Hit the like and subscribe please. If you've been here before, thank you. For my next video, I'd like to do one on Andobil's 2-in-1 Car Air Freshener vent clips or hanging. So let's do an unboxing here. This is a pretty brief unboxing. It comes from a great company, Andobil. I've done a lot of work with them. And we just got a regular box here. Let's go ahead and crack it open. We have a real brief instruction, and it's in multiple languages, why it's so big. And let's see here. We have the actual air freshener. Okay, that's a lanyard loop, so you can hang it anywhere you want. I couldn't find it, and I don't want to open it yet because I want to put it in my car, but it hangs, and we'll go over that shortly. Then we have the vent clip, which is how I'll use it, and it goes in the back. And again, you have to take the covering off to do it. And that's our unboxing. That's all that's in the box. Okay, so let's go over some of about the item. It's a long-lasting car air freshener. The Car Air Freshener vent clips are eco-conscious for offer continuous aromatics. Each solid particle ring lasts for 50 to 60 days. When it's depleted, easily replace it for uninterrupted aromatic bliss without discarding the entire product. Reduced waste and ensuring a fragrant journey. It's mess-free luxury, no leaks, no mess. Discover the refreshment of the solid microparticle car air fresheners. Unlike liquid fragrance, it won't spill, ensuring a clean car interior and a steady, inviting scent. Stay focused on the road, confident in a conscious, fresh driving space. It's 100% plant extracts. It's soothing, safe for expecting moms or babies. Air freshener can bring sincerity, certified safe for expecting moms and infants during a unique, secure experience. On each drive, a gentle fragrance fills the air, creating a worry-free space. It's multi-use scenarios and warranty, whether you're at your car, home, office, during your travels. Our car air fresheners will deliver delightful aromas. We offer a 12-month warranty, ensuring your long-lasting aromatic experience. Immerse yourself in fresheners anywhere, anytime with confidence. So that's my video on the Andobil 2-in-1 Car Air Freshener vent clips or hanging. I hope you found my video to be helpful. Thank you for being here. Please click like and subscribe to my channel. Leave me a comment down below, and until next time, I'm out.